Hi guys, the materials that we need are the following. I will use cotton yarns, button, 3mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, needle and thread. So without further ado, let's get started. Going to start by making a slip knot. And then chain of 12. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And now we will add more to single crochet. 1, 2, and double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So this is the third chain. 1, 2, 3. So we will make a double crochet in all the way around. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So after that, we will make 4 double crochet in the same stitch here. So we will make 4. One, two, three, and 4. And then one more in the same. So it's like we will add 5 more double crochet. And then single crochet all the way around until here in the last stitch. So I'll get back to you once I'm done, once I'm in the last stitch. So now I'm in the last stitch. So now we will be making 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet in the same stitch here. 5, like what we made here, also 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now slip stitch in the first stitch that we make here earlier. Slip stitch. So now we're done in our first round. So it's like oval. And then chain off 3, 1, 2, 3. And then double crochet in the same stitch. And then double crochet all the way around until here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will be doing double crochet in the first 12 in the first 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So we will be making double crochet in the first 12 stitches. I'll get back to you once I'm done with my double crochet here. Now I'm done with the double crochet, and now we will be increasing here in the next 5 stitches. We will be increasing 2 double crochet in each stitch. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we will make double crochet in each stitch. So again, 12 stitch until here. So I'll get back to you once I'm done with making double crochet in each stitch. The double crochet in our 12 stitches, and now we will be increasing the last 5 chains. The last 5 double crochet we will be increasing like what we did here. 2 single crochet in each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now slip stitch in the first chain that we make, in the first 3 chains that we make. So now we will be doing double crochet all the way around in back loops only. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So we will be making double crochet there, back loops only. Chain of 3 first, 3, and then double crochet in the same stitch as where the 3 chains, and then double crochet all the way around, back loops only. So this is the V, this is the front loop, that's the front loop, and this is the back loop. So we will be using the back loop only, double crochet all the way around. So I'll get back to you once I'm done doing the double crochet. Almost done with our round 3. Double crochet all the way around in back loops only. And then slip stitch So now you can see the front loops. We will be sewing that later once we're done with our purse. So now again 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet all the way around, but this time we will use the 2 loops. So double crochet in the same space, sorry, here. Double crochet all the way around until your desired height of your purse. So I'll get back to you once I'm done with that. So now I'm done with the body of my coin purse. So I made 14 rows of double crochet. So what we're going to do is fold it in half. And then chain 1. And then we are going to make a slip knot in the front post earlier. Yeah, here, if you can see, here, that's the front post, and we made a double crochet at the back post earlier. So now we're going to slip stitch in the front post. So now we will slip stitch here. And then here. Slip stitch. So we will be doing that all the way around. Again, front post, and then at the top of our stitch earlier. Slip stitch. Again. Front. So there. So I'll meet you up once I'm done slip stitching. So now we are almost done. This is the bottom of the coin purse. Then one more. Oh, we're done. Again, in the last stitch, we will make 2 slip stitch. Then chain 1, and then cut. And now we will turn our coin purse. So now we will be doing the cover. So what we're going to do is get the yarn again. And then make a chain here. One, 2 and 3. So now we're going to make a double crochet until to this side, not all the way, only here. So that will be the cover of our purse. Double crochet. So it's like we're doing a back post double crochet. We will be hiding the tail later. There. So I'll get back to you once I'm done the double crochet until on this back post. Okay, double crochet. So I made 23 back post double crochet. So now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn our work, and then double crochet in the next stitch. So double crochet all the way around. So I'll meet you up once I'm done with a double crochet here, and then I'll be hiding the tail as well. Now we're done. So again, we will continue doing that until it covers here the 2 rounds for the body. So again, chain of 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet to the next. So we will be doing that all the way around until it covers these 2 rows or 3. So I'll get back to you once I'm done with it. Done doing the cover. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 4 rows. And now, since it's 23, we will be divided that into 11, into 2. So it 11, 11. So we can put the buttons there. So I'll show you how. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet, 11 double crochet. 2, 3 again. Sorry, I used the other hook. So again, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet in the next. So we will be making 11, I mean 10 more double crochet. So that will be the 11 double crochet. So in this side we should also have 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, 10 here. Yeah, only 10 because we will be making a 3 chains here. 1, 2, 3 for the button, and then 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet in the next. So there's, we will put the buttons there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. And then fasten off. So I'll sew the button here, then I'll get back to you once I'm done. Done with our coin purse. So I just sew the buttons here in the second row. First, second. So there you go. I hope you like it, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.